Hey guys, welcome back. Do you ever feel annoyed by ads that suddenly pop up while you're playing games, browsing the internet, or even showing up in your notifications? These ads are not just irritating, they also drain your data and your battery without you even realizing it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block almost all types of ads completely, from system ads to browser pop-ups and even spam emails. First step, set up a DNS shield. Open your phone settings. Use the search bar and type DNS. Tap on Private DNS. Select Private DNS Provider hostname. Now type dns.adguard.com and tap Save. With just this one setting, most ads inside apps, games, and websites will automatically be blocked system-wide. Second step, clean up promotional emails in Gmail. Sometimes we unknowingly subscribe to marketing emails when signing up on websites. Open your Gmail app. In the search bar, type unsubscribe or remove subscription. Open any unwanted promotional email. Scroll all the way down and tap unsubscribe. Confirm if needed. This will stop those annoying spam emails from coming back. Third step, turn off ad notifications in Google Chrome. Open Chrome. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Site Settings. Then tap Notifications. Set it to Don't allow sites to send notifications. After that, go back and make sure pop-ups and redirects are turned off. Also disable intrusive ads. And that's it. Now your phone will feel much cleaner, lighter, and free from those annoying pop-up ads. If this worked for you, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe. Thanks for watching.